up, everybody? It is ScherervilleEAS. Uh-oh. What the heck? I don't know what that is. Okay. It is ScherervilleEAS, back with some of my, EAS YouTuber friends. Do you guys want to say who you are?
I don't know, most of the people here are asleep. Rip.
Well, there's Diego. You all know him.
Yeah, SchaumburgWX boys, subscribe on YouTube.
Then EAS SoCal, and then Isaiah Schindler's down there, and then NorCal dude just left. So rip him. Mostly.
I'm still here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
There's the dink to the wall.
Hey.
Okay, and I will be back to you when the test is up.
Proceeding with the test of the National Weather Service alarm tone during potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by the system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations will be activated for watches and warnings affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. The variability normally more noticeable as the distance from a given transmitter will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver and perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program.
Here is the forecast for the Chicago metropolitan area. Rest of today, mostly sunny.